Hello friends, welcome to our HTML tutorial. Today we are learning about attributes. In HTML we can define information about our every tag with the help of attributes. Basically it's used to give extra information to user and also browser. To do so, first you need to open your text editor. Now we are going to write our basic program. So you can see in these tags we have defined HTML and our language of our browser page. uh, so we have just defined the language of our page, that is set to English United States. Now we are uh, going to use attributes in our further tags. So let's do this with p tag. As you can see, we have just defined the title of a paragraph. So further attributes that we can use is on anchor text, that is mostly used today. You just need a anchor tag, define its value, path, we just use an attribute of anchor text. So these are the kind of attributes that we can use in our HTML. Next are the attributes that we can use are height and width. We can assign or change the height and width of our image or other kinds of document. We can do so just by writing simple codes. We have just write code for height and width attributes. So whenever you use any kind of attribute, you have to define two things: first is name and second its value. You can see uh, as we can see here, height is an name and 40 its value. So this is the syntax of attributes. We can also use alt attributes that gives us more information about our text. To do so, just write alt, then just define the value of that tag. So this is my image of, this is my dog. Then you need to close all these tags. After that we are going to save our file, uh, attributes.html. As I mentioned in my every video, don't forget to save it .html file format, unless your file won't be able to save in correct file format. As you can see, we just write title tags. When you hover on the paragraph, it gives you information about that paragraph. Because we have give it a title attribute, our image is not visible because the path that I have used is not correct. To do it work, to make it work, you need to assign correct path to that image. So let's find a beautiful image of a dog. I guess this is nice. Just copy its address, go to your text editor. Well, happens many times. This is the path of that image. uh, Now we are going to see if that works or not. Yes, it works. Now my image is displayed, and also alt tag. Now we are going to assign a title tag for our image. As you can see here, we have assigned width and height. Let's make it to 400, so our image will become more bigger. Yes, basically alt tag is information for search engines, so that sometimes your image is not displayed due to some problems, some network problems or some kind of issues. So it gives you little information about search engines or users, that what is your image is all about. So we can learn understand this with an example. Let's incorrect the path. Well, it's still visible, don't know how. I guess now it's still visible. Well, sorry about that. Now I have used the correct path of an image. So let's understand more about alt tags that we have talked earlier. So I'm going to just incorrect my path so we can see how the alt tag is work for image. As you can see, my image is not displayed because due to the error that I have knowingly put on that code, so that my alt tag is displayed to you whenever the image or that not displayed, the tag is visible to you. It always visible to search engines, because it's hidden in the code. We discussed this in our later lectures. So let's make it correct and also give it a title tag. Image of my dog. Well, this is not my dog, actually, someone's dog. Just save your file. Yeah, when you hover over it, wait, let's see what's the error. Oh yes, spellings are not correct. I think it should work. Yes, it is working. So that's how attributes are used in HTML. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on it. Thank you very much.